BoonDocker whip install. Get your vehicle specific harness with your whip kit. Plugs into either tail light, doesn't matter. This car has a turbo kit on it. We're switching the relay using the left-hand tail light, so I'm gonna do it on the right-hand tail light on this one. Unplug the factory connector. Plug in the BoonDocker harness. Then plug it back into the factory tail light. Your whip harness has left and right turn signals that you can wire in if you so choose. It is pre-wired for brake lights. This connector plugs into that connector that we just installed. Click it, click your lock. These are labeled left and right. Line up your arrows. Just like that, you can go power up your car, and you've got whips. And you've got brake lights.